does take some talent.
I'm not wearing shoes. I can actually do it if I'm wearing shoes.
Sure you can, Kayla. Keep telling yourself that.
Yeah, we'll watch this. It takes some skill. You ready? Okay, this is... Ready? Yeah! What the heck are you doing?
It's blurry and I don't know.